Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This has been one of my most requested videos, so I will be making a detailed tutorial on this. First off, you're gonna need a human hair bulk, or if you have bundles, you can always just cut the weft off. And also I use the expression spring twist. That is my go-to spring twist for locks now. And yeah, you're just gonna need like any edge control you have just to keep the human hair in place, because as we know, human hair is slippery. So before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jessica. Welcome to my channel. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for stopping by always, and I'm grateful for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, check out my previous videos, and yeah, let's get into tutorial. So I used one pack of the expression spring twist actually, and for the human hair I used about 7 bundles. Yes, I used 7 bundles. I'm gonna be showing you the difference between the human hair bulk that you buy, just the way it is, and you just cut in the weft of your human hair. So for this video, the pattern of the human hair bulk I have was like the dip wave, but I wanted more of like the loose curls for this locks. So I had to buy human hair loose curls to do this video. So this were actually bundles that I used instead of the bulk. And the difference between the bulk and the human hair bundles are the bulk already cut, weft, and pre-stretched and everything, so they come fuller than the human hair just cutting off the weft from regular human hair bundles. I mean, I'm gonna put in a clip talking about explaining what I just talked about, so stay tuned. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, you're also gonna need nail glue and lighter. So as you can see how I attached the first curl to it, when I attach the curl, I usually put in nail glue. I started putting in nail glue just to give it extra hold. But if you do not have nail glue, you can use a lighter. But one thing about the lighter is you can give like a rough texture down. I mean, that's perfectly fine, because I've tried this on a client before, and when she came back for a touch-up, you wouldn't even notice that, a lighter was used. So you can use the two just to give it extra security. You have to do all this, or you can do all this, because this is human hair we're talking about. If it's regular synthetic, yeah, just knotting it up can get the job done. But human hair tends to slip, tends to shed more. So the more security you give it, the more it tends not to shed a lot, because regardless it's gonna shed a little. Even the human hair bundles that come wefted, when we sew them in, shed. So imagine when you cut them off and then put them in locks or braids, they would shed, but not so crazy. Depends on how you secure them. So when I started, I put only one hair like in between the locks, and then I put one in the end, just for the wavy ends as well. But then I realized that I wanted it like really, really full. So I want a situation whereby people ask, oh, is that weave, or, what are those? So I wanted them really full. So I'm just gonna show you, I started putting in 3, and then 2, and then some I put in 1, and then some I put in 4. So I just do not have like a specific amount of strand that I put in, in the that I put in per locks. So for stylists who have been thinking of offering this style, because I want to offer this style, it's just a matter of, is it worth it? Will people pay for it? Because if they want it like full, I mean, most people like full hair, and it's more, enticing and interesting when it's human hair, because okay, it's not gonna tangle. I can, manage it well compared to synthetic hair. How much do you think a style like this will cost? Because left to me, if I was to offer this, it's not gonna go anywhere below $480 to $550, because if I'm gonna be using 6 to 7 or 8 bundles. And then, you know, I have clients here who have really full thick hair. So if I'm going to be using about 40 locks on myself, I would be using about 50 or 60 on them. So those extra locks require extra bundles. So imagine how much it would cost buying 7 bundles or 8 bundles, and then how much it's going to cost to install it, how much it's going to cost to make it. It's a lot of money, and it's a lot of investment. So styles like this are not supposed to just be put in for 2 weeks. These are styles that last you for months. So guys, as you saw in the previous clip, that was a human hair bundle, and it was just easy to separate the short ones from the long ones, and you end up having a little piece. But this right here is a human hair bulk, so it already comes pre-stretched, unwefted, whatever you can think of. So this is how they come, and they're very thick compared to the bundles after, you know, removing the short ones. And this is what I recommend for this type of locks compared to the bundles, but this can be very expensive. So if you cannot really afford this, you know, if you want like a full look, you can always just get like really cheap, affordable quality bundles and, you know, use them as well. And this is what it looks like using a bundle. You see how they just fall out easily? Yes, those are the short ones. And when you're done, you're left with like little chunks from the bundle. So back to the initial video, I just wanted to show you guys, yes, it is water friendly. So this is perfect for vacation. It's perfect for whatever you want because it's human hair. Even synthetic too holds well in water, so of course human hair would too, but I just wanted to show you guys just in case someone has that question. Can I use it in water? For sure, you can put water in it, you can wash it, you can swim with it. You are good. Not even you should be good, you are good to go. And also, you can also brush it. I would also suggest wild tooth combs or brushes instead of like the really tight ones, because the little combs can pull out the human hair. You're not supposed to pull it out. You're supposed to, you know, safeguard it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have more questions, you can leave them down in the comment section. I'll see you guys later. Bye.